Hello, YouTube. I thought I would just do a quick and dirty, if you will, video pertaining to a regular garage door opener, in my case, the Genie. This is the garage door that I chose. There's the code. Get rid of there we go. The code if anyone needs it. This is how I mounted mine. Mounted it horizontally. I'm sorry, vertically. And let's see. Because of the size of my structure, I have a 10 by 10 roll-up door and a 9 by 9 roll-up door. And I have this garage door opener picking up both. Obviously, it doesn't lift the 10-foot door 10 feet, but it lifts it enough that I can open both doors and get the truck in and out of. I got some angled metal hold. You can get down there and see it. And I bolted that through the bottom of the roll-up door. And then I have a heavy aluminum cross brace, if you will, with an eye bolt that holds to the garage door opener. Yeah, see if I can get a good shot of that. And then I utilized everything that the garage door opener came with. I didn't have to add anything else, so other than bolts and nuts to hold things together. And that is where I had to mount the base so that I could clear the opener above my tallest door. Now, I did put the sensors up on top because I have too much at the bottom. Normally you'd mount them on the corners right there, but for the time being it won't open without sensors, so I just put them in existing holes I already had bolted up there. So we'll angle out here. Yeah, YouTube creators were a valuable help in figuring all of this out. I probably have, let me think, maybe $350 all told in this. So let's go back over here and I'll show you it opening and closing. It's a belt drive, so it's really quiet. It's really slick. Let's close it, show you the closes. And so, yes, it can be done. It hasn't been installed long, so I can't tell you how long it may last. I assume it will be fine. So there you go. It can be done. Again, I did not buy an extended version of the Genie. That's all that it came with. The only thing I did do was there's a limiter bolt that goes goes in here. I remove that so I have full travel, and I'm traveling full to the bottom and then all the way to the top. But it works for me. Again, your mileage may vary. Every installation is a little bit different. I had limited space, obviously, between the doors to do all this mounting. And so it took some looking at and scratching of the head, but it works, and it works well. So I wish you luck in your projects. Any questions, just comment below, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. All right. You have a good day.